everyone, how you doing today? I'm back with another video, and in today's video we have an HP laptop 14-CK0004, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to open it up and how you can upgrade the RAM on these models. And this applies for any HP 14 CK series, so it doesn't matter if you have CK 200 or 100, this is the same procedure. And these laptops from the factory, they are shipped out with one 4 GB RAM which are DDR4 RAMs. And now I'm going to take you on a step-by-step how to open it up and how you can upgrade or remove the RAM. First thing first, you want to power off completely the laptop. You want to flip it upside down. And you want to grab yourself a screwdriver set. I always recommend you guys to grab the UFIXTEK screwdriver set. You can get the Pro set, which includes an opening tool, tweezers, and everything else. Or you can simply get the simple screwdriver set. And from here, we're going to be using a Phillips number 1. And for the opening tool, if you don't get the Pro set, you can use a guitar pick. A metallic guitar pick is really suitable to opening electronics covers. And you will need a tweezers, a curved tweezers. And that's it. Obviously, you need your RAM if you already purchased. Now, on the bottom of the laptop, you're only going to see 2 screws, one in each corner in front end of the laptop. But there is more screws than these 2. There's 3 screws on the back rubber leg and 2 screws or 1 screw on the front rubber legs in the middle, somewhere over here. To remove the back rubber leg, just grab this opening tool or stick it right underneath this plastic rubber and lift it up slowly. Don't yank it 90 degrees to the other way, otherwise you're going to break it. Somebody already tried on this side and broke the rubber in here. So grab it from here and pull it up in 45-degree angle, just like that. Alright, then you can put it to one side. Now you're gonna see the 3 chrome screws right there. And the front one, if you're facing you upside down, you're facing the front end of the laptop to you, open it up from the left side. And go halfway through, and you're gonna see the first. Once you see the first screw, you don't need to open anymore. Just go ahead and start removing this one. And that's it, bring it back. There is no need to remove the whole strip. All the chrome screws are the same size and height. Go ahead and remove all the chrome screws, and the black one, keep them in a different pile. Also, I realized there is only 1% of my viewers are subscribing to the channel. If you find my content helpful and useful and helping you guys out, you can support the channel by subscribing and clicking that like button. I'll really appreciate it. So there we go. We have the chrome screws and we have the black screws. All the screws are the same size and height, just a color difference. Alright, once you remove everything here, we're going to open up the laptop. I'll open it up in 45-degree right now. You want to stick the opening tool between the top and the bottom cover, just like that. Now, you want to just twist it towards the outside, like that, and do it every 1 or 2 centimeters. You want to hear those big clicks. Do that and go to the sides. Again, on the side here, just shove it in there and just twist it, and go back corners and twist. Once you did all the twisting, just close it down gently, flip it upside down. Now we're going to start losing it up from where you have the SD card reader, so put your thumb right by the hinge and grab the cover and just peel it off and push it towards the rest of the I/O. And work it around, and it should come out pretty easy. Alright, and down here, we're gonna see the RAM right in front of you. This is a DDR4, and also remember to upgrade the RAM, you do not need to remove the battery. It's absolutely unnecessary to remove the battery to do an upgrade on RAM. But for those that are really paranoid and they want to remove the RAM through this procedure, I just want to show you guys here. I can safely remove it, put it back in, and that's it. But if you do want to remove the battery, go ahead and remove 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. And the screw on this side, there should be a screw right over here, but I don't see the screw in here. So you might have to remove 1 screw right over here, or the factory probably didn't even forget about putting it. So go ahead and remove all the chrome screw that touches the battery. Again, this part is not necessary at all, but for extra precaution, just go, once you remove it, lift it up from the jack side up and pull it out. And there's your battery. Now, the RAM is, to remove the RAM, you just have to pull these two triggers away from each other. So just grab them and pull them away from each other, and the RAM will come out in 45-degree angle. And all you need to do is grab it in 45-degree angle and pull it out in the same 45-degree angle. Remember, the notch on the RAM must match the notch on the RAM DIMM. There's a little cut right in there, so the cut must match this one. If I try to put it the other way around, it will simply, let me put this one here, it will simply not go through. So you're gonna grab the new RAM. You can put an 8 gig RAM here and bring it in 45-degree angle, bring it all the way here and push it towards the DIMM and towards the motherboard, and you should hear 2 clicks, just like that. Once you hear that click, that means the RAM is in place and ready to go. Once you got the RAM in there, remember, once you power on the laptop, it might take about 5 to 10 seconds for the BIOS to start doing a RAM check. That's for initial startup, so don't panic. Grab the battery, bring it over, stick it right underneath here. This thing has to go underneath, and align the hole and push the contact here down towards the jack, and grab the screws for the batteries and place them right on top. I am gonna go with this side. I'm not gonna put the one on there, so I'd rather have the one on this side. If yours is not missing, then go ahead and place the one in here, but I'd rather have the contact in here steady, like better than here, because here is already holding up from this side, so there's no need for this one. But if you have the extra screw, you can just place it in there. All right, now last thing would be to just grab the top cover or the bottom cover. In this case, put the I/O side down first, make sure it scoops right underneath, and just squeeze it, make sure you get a click, and then bring it down, and then go work yourself around on the corners to the other side, mid back, and that's it. If you see any other opening once you open it up, just pinch them between the top and the bottom cover, and it should just crack back in. And the last thing here would be to just put the bottom screws. Remember, the 2 black screws goes right in front, and the chrome screws goes right under the rubber legs. I hope you guys like this video and helped you guys out to do your own upgrade. If it did, please click the like button. If you have any question or request, feel free to leave them in a video comment, and I'll try to answer them as soon as I can. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.